Hello friends, welcome to Java IO tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about object streams. Object streams are useful to perform serialization and deserialization. So this is a 6-part video, and when you progress through all these 6 parts, you will learn what is serialize and what is deserialization. Both you will learn, and you will also learn about serializable interface. Then you will learn about read object and write object. So serialization is the process in which state of the objects are streamed. So once it is streamed, the state of the object can be saved into the disk, or it can be sent over the network, or whatever you can do with the stream that you can do. But the process serialization is nothing but converting the state of the object into stream format. The streamed information can be written to disk, as already told, or it can be even wired to a different computer on the network. So here we are talking about a disk, right? So once it is written to disk, later from the disk data, the streamed information can be read and object will be reconstructed. And if you see the process, state of the object is converted into stream. They are written to the disk, and from disk we are reading back the data and reconstructing the object. So this process, that means converting the streamed information into the object, is called deserialization. So let's say this is the object, and you convert that as a stream, and you keep it on a flat file, let's say. So this is a serialization, and if you read back and reconstruct the data, that means from file you will read, or you will take the stream and then you reconstruct the object back. So this is called deserialization. Object to stream and stream to object. Object to stream is serialization. Stream to reconstructing back to the object is deserialization. So this technique is useful to write in-memory class object to a disk. So that means if this is the object and it will stay in the heap, right? So then you will convert that to a stream, then you will store it to the physical medium. So once you store it to the physical medium, you can even shut down the machine, and after 2 or 3 days back you can read the content. Why? Because it is in physical storage. You can read back and reconstruct the object. So that's why. So in-memory class object to the disk. So using serialization technique you can achieve this. Say for example, a flowchart program saving the drawing into a file under .flow extension. Let's say this is our frame window, and let's say using Java graphics you did some flowchart drawing. And if you see each one, you can treat it as a object. Say for example, this is a rect object, decision making object, arrows. Right? There are 3 or 4 objects involved, let's say. So the serialization is the process of converting these objects into stream format and saving it to the disk. So that means here, even though you see these as a graphics object, it is streamed and it is written to the disk. Say for example, let's consider a rectangle, top left corner, width and height. So these three are the top left corner in the sense x and y axis here, then width and height, 4 parameter, right? So this is the state. You will stream this state and write it as a flat file. Later, when you read the information, you will get those state, and from that state you can reconstruct the object. Once the object is reconstructed, then it can be redrawn here on this sheet. So that's how the drawing object can be stored into file, and later it can be restored. So in Java IO, object input stream which you use to perform the deserialization object, because it's an input stream from file. You will input and you will construct it as a object output stream. Here we will be using object output stream to perform serialization. So you can use both of these class to perform serialization and deserialization. So there is no demo here. Now you've got the idea of what is a serialization and what is a deserialization. Thank you for watching. Bye.